Elsham Mahmudov, CIN 10082. Imagine descending into the deep ocean, where sunlight can reach, it's impossible. Suddenly, into the darkness, you can encounter a glowing, transparent jellyfish, unlike anything you have ever seen. This isn't a scene from the science fiction movie. This is the reality. The dark sea and deep sea is a mysterious world, and the animals in which they live here can defy the logic with their extraordinary adaptations. And as someone who intrigued by the ocean life, I have spent a lot of time to research these creatures and learn about them. Today, I want to take you on a little journey to explore the bizarre world of the deep seas. The deep ocean is a mysterious world, and they are home to creatures so strange. And let's look at a few of them. The first creature is the anglerfish. Anglerfish is one of the most iconic predators of the deep sea. It's known for a bioluminescent lure that hangs from its head like a fishing rod, and anglerfish uses this fishing rod and this lure to attract prey in the pitch black depths. And with a sharp, needle-like teeth, they can swallow prey almost as large as itself. An interesting point about the male anglerfish. Male anglerfish who parasitically attach to the female's one and essentially becoming the part of her body. And when the female die and male one anglerfish die. Second one is sea sapphire copepods. These tiny crustaceans are like the gems of the deep sea. They are almost seem to iridescent and known for iridescent jewel-like color. Sea sapphire copepods can shimmer and even seem to disappear when viewed from the different angles. This magical effect is caused by microscopic shells in their layered structure and they reflect the light. And scientists were baffled by how these creatures reflect the light such a good condition. Third, and my favorite one, is Leptocephalus larva. The Leptocephalus is a transparent form of eel. Its flat, leaf-like creature through the deep ocean currents. And invisible to most predators thanks to its transparency. And also scientists were bombarded with questions how this transparent form transformed into this one. It's remained a mysterious for the scientists. While we have now explored the deep sea's most unusual creatures, but why? Why these creatures are so elusive? Why these creatures difficult to find? First things, extreme conditions and exploration technology. As we know that ocean floor can reach the depths of over 36,000 feet, and pressure at such depths is immense. Temperatures are just above freezing, and make an incredibly harsh environment for the scientists to explore these conditions. Make an incredibly harsh environment for the scientists. And second, despite the advance in the technology, we have no more knowledge about the surface of the Mars than we do about the ocean floor. And it's very disappointing point for our planet. And second one, mimicry and camouflage. When we even explore the deep seas, these creatures seem to invisible for predators and for us. For example, we can say that Leptocephalus larva is transparency, and also the ocean darkness offers perfect cover for these creatures that want to hide them from us and predators. Third one, let's look at the ongoing efforts about the deep ocean. Ongoing efforts are helping us to learn more about these creatures and their inhabitants. But first remarkable, and one of the most remarkable in recent years, comes from Smith Ocean Institute, which has led to multiple expeditions to the ocean floor. And in 2024, the scientists on the Smith Ocean expedition, coast of the Chile, uncovered 100 potentially new species. That's unbelievable. During the 1 year, it's impossible. They use new submarines and specialized remotely operated vehicles, that in other words drones. They collected data and specimens at such depths and revealing new ecosystems for us. An interesting point about Schmidt Ocean Institute that their expedition shared live on the YouTube almost every day. To wrap up, while we have now explored some of the deep sea's most unusual creatures and their extraordinary adaptations, and we looked at how these creatures, how impossible to find these creatures in such depths, and how the science affect our exploration technology. I want to say that deep ocean can remain one of the most unexplored areas of our planet, and countless secrets yet to be uncovered for us. And as the technology continues to improve, we may one day discover even more fascinating creatures of the dark planet. There is no need to look far for what's new. Sometimes we dive deep to find the view. Thanks for your attention.